Importing Messenger contacts to phone list.
Hello there. Today, we're going to delve into how you can import your Messenger contacts to your phone contacts list. It's a handy process, especially if you want to consolidate all your contacts in one place.
Why would you want to import contacts?
Before diving into the steps, it's essential to understand the reasons behind importing Messenger contacts. 1. Easy accessibility. Having all contacts in one place makes it simpler to reach out without switching apps. 2. Backup. It's always a good idea to have a backup of your contacts. 3. Efficiency. Streamline your communication processes.
Prerequisites before importing.
To ensure a smooth process, make sure you've done the following. 1. Updated apps. Ensure that both your phone contacts app and Messenger are updated to the latest versions. 2. Permissions. Messenger will need permissions to access your contacts.
Steps to import contacts.
Now, let's get into the step-by-step process. 1. Open Messenger app. Start by launching your Messenger app. 2. Go to Profile or Settings. This is usually represented by your profile picture or a gear icon on the top corner. 3. Scroll down and find the People option and tap on it. 4. Here, you will see an option named Sync Contacts. Toggle this option on. 5. Once you enable it, Messenger will automatically sync your contacts with the phone's contact list. It might take a few moments, so be patient.
Points to remember.
While the process is straightforward, here are a few things to bear in mind. Not all contacts will sync. Only those who've shared their phone numbers on Facebook will appear in your phone list. Resync. If you add new contacts in Messenger, remember to toggle the Sync Contacts option off and on again to update the list. And that's how you import your Messenger contacts to your phone list. We hope this guide has been helpful. Stay organized and keep your contacts at your fingertips.